Hello, welcome back to our computer class. Children, we are studying our chapter 7, Working with Paint. In this chapter, today we are going to learn the topic Moving and Copying an Object, which this topic is given on page number 66 in your computer textbook. So let's start. Children, you can see our paint window on the screen. In this paint window, three options are available in clipboard group, which is the first group of paint window. That three options are used to moving and copying an object and place it on another place. Okay, so the first option is cut. You can see here scissor. This option is called cut. It is used to cut any part of the picture. Means if we draw a picture and from that picture if we want to cut or remove some part of the picture, then we can do it with the cut option. Okay, now next option is copy option. Below the cut option, this is copy option, which is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. We can make same to same object that we have drawn using the copy option. Now to cut and copy, show this effect of this cut and copy option, we have to use paste option. So our third option is paste. You can see on the screen, this is our paste option and it is used to place the cut part of the picture or copy part also. When we are cutting or copying any picture, after that we have to paste that. Then after we can see that cut or copied part on the screen. Okay, so these three are options used to moving and copying an object. So let's start practically. How can we do this?
Moving an object. Draw the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Type here CAR car and click on save button. Now next, select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of select tool. A rectangle with dashed lines will appear around the picture. You can see on the screen a rectangle with dashed line appeared around the picture when we select the picture. Now click on the cut option in the clipboard group. Here you can see the cut option in clipboard group on the home tab. Now observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. When selected part of the picture is removed from the screen, because we click on the cut option, it will cut the part of the picture or whole picture because we selected whole picture. Now next, using the paste option, click on paste option and choose paste. Click on this paste. You can see the object that you have cut will appear on the top left corner of the drawing area. You can see on the top left corner of the drawing area, our cut object is reappear. When we paste, click on paste. Place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release your mouse clicks. After pasting the object, we can move it to the other location using mouse pointer. Tip is here, the selection box can be removed by clicking outside the selected area. Now copying an object. Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. It means we can make same copy of our picture and place it to other location. We can make same to same two copies of our picture. Select the drawing using select tool. Select the copy command on the home tab. On the copy command, you have to click. Now click on the paste command in the clipboard group. as we done earlier for the cut. Okay. Now a duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. You can see duplicate copy of the object. Here it is our main copy of the object and this is our copied object, duplicate copy of the object, which is pasted on the top left corner of the drawing area. Now next, you can move the picture to any location using mouse button. Now let's know more. To reverse the last action that you have performed, undo command or Ctrl plus Z is used. It means if you made mistake in your picture or make something wrong step, then you can reverse that action using undo command or Ctrl plus Z key combination from the keyboard. And you by default by mistake make undo command, then you can use redo command. Redo command is used to reverse the effect of undo command, or we can also use Ctrl plus Y. This is the shortcut key for redo command. If we by mistake make undo, then we can reverse the effect of undo command using the redo command, and the shortcut key of redo command is Ctrl plus Y, that we can press from the keyboard. Okay, so students, this much study for today. In next class we will go further in this chapter. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.